Hello everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue with Economics chapter 1st of class 9th. That is the story of village Palampur. Already I have shared 5 videos of this chapter and this is going to be the last video of this chapter. Okay, so let us before moving ahead, what we have studied till now is we have talked about farming and different factors of production in Palampur. Okay, so other than farming also there are certain activities taking place, economic activities which are known as non-farming activities. So we have seen that farming is the main activity in Palampur or any other village, but here they are telling now about non-farming activities. So about 25% of the people working in Palampur are engaged in activities other than agriculture, other than farming. They are doing different activities which are known as non-farming activities. So in this video we will see the different non-farming activities taking place in Palampur. So here I have shown you can see 4 major activities. Non-farming activities are dairy farming, small scale manufacturing, then shopkeeping is also done, shopkeepers are there, and transport. So these are the 4 major non-farming activities. We will talk about each in detail. The first one is dairy. So it is another very much common activity which is taking place in most of the families of Palampur. So they are having buffaloes, they are having cattle, and that milk they are not only using in their village, it is getting transported to different areas, nearby areas. So what they are telling is 2 traders of Shahpur. Shahpur is a nearby town, I told you in the beginning. So this town, 2 people of Shahpur have set up their collection cum chilling centers, as they have to make it stored because it's not a durable thing, no. So they are having chilling centers at Raiganj, from where they are taking milk to different areas, other far away towns and cities. So milk is taken from Palampur to Raiganj. There they are having chilling centers, developed system it is they are having. Then from chilling centers it is taken to other towns and cities. So that is, we can see the dairy farming is also well developed here. The next one is small scale manufacturing. What we know when the term comes manufacturing, we imagine big industries and factories. It's not like this. We can have small scale manufacturing which is taking place in Palampur. Means with a lower scale, with less capital and with simple production methods, with simple machines. So what they are doing, manufacturing is also done with simple production method and with less capital, we can say on small scale. So example is one of the person, that is Mishri Lal, who has purchased a sugarcane crushing machine. He is using sugarcane as a raw material and he is producing jaggery which is sold in the nearby towns. That we have seen in the beginning, I told you to underline also. So jaggery is produced here. Then comes shopkeeping. So there are people who are involved in trade, that is exchange of goods. So they are having different general shops with variety of products. They are not having branded things, but the cheap products at less rate and lot of varieties there of daily use things like soap, wheat and all, what they eat, what they consume it everyday items, what they need. They are having shops also. So shopkeeping is also there in Palampur, in near the bus stands where people are coming, travelers are there. So they are having small shops also. Then the next one that we can say, last one is transport, not the least because it is the most fastest developing sector in Palampur. In the beginning also I told you they are having rickshawalas, tangawalas, motorcycles, bicycles, everything is, trucks are also there on the roads. All these things are seen in the roads of Palampur. So we can say it is well developed. Okay, and this system, these vehicles are used to carry people as well as goods from one place to another. When we say that dairy farming is developed, manufacturing is developed, sugar, jaggery is carried and all this is happening, it is all is possible because of the developed transport. Okay, so they are having well developed system of transport, due to which other things are also facilitated. They are also getting the facility of service of transport. So other people are also getting the advantage. So these are all the 4 major non-farming activities taking place in Palampur. Other than this, we can come to the conclusion or the whole story of Palampur. We can say Palampur is fastest developing, very much it is developing in in different fields, you can see. Apart from this, 2 more examples are given in the book, that a person has learned the computer skills and now he has started teaching it in Palampur only. Another person has purchased 2 bullock carts and now he is using these bullock carts for the purpose of transporting goods. So he is also earning. So now we can say self-employment is also increasing in Palampur, and if it will go with the same pace, it will be a well-developed area. Okay, so that is all about Palampur. Whatever I have shared, all the 6 videos, you go through it, underline the important points and prepare notes and study well. Goodbye.